Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Our multiplication chapter is going on, and I hope you have learned all the tables from 1 to 20. Okay, look here, children. Here is a table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Means children, if you know the table of 1 to 10, then only you can make other big tables. Like, look here, 12 ones are 12 means what? Like this. Okay, means 1 twos are 2 and 1 ones are 1. Same like if you know 3's table, then 12 threes are means how to make 12 threes are 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Okay, same like 12 sevens are like this. 12 sevens are 7 twos are 14, 1 carry over, then 7 ones are 7 plus 1 8. Okay, so 12 sevens are 84. Okay, if 12 nines are 12 nines are, if you know 9's table, then 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 8 here, 1 carry over, and 9 ones are 9 and 9 ones are 9 plus 1 10. Look how 12 nines are 100 will come. 12 nines are 108. Sorry, 108. Like this we can make another tables. Okay. Now see here how to make table of 6. 16 ones are like this. 16 ones are means 1 6 are 6, 1 ones are 1. So 16 ones are 16. Then 16 twos are 2 6 are 12, 2 here, 1 carry over, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 means 16 twos are 32. Then 16 threes are 3 6 are 18, 1 carry over, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. So 16 threes are 48. Then 16 fours are 4 6 are 24, 2 carry over, 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6 means 16 fours are 64. Okay, 16 fives are 5 6 are 30, 0 here, 3 carry over, 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8 means 16 fives are 80. Okay, then 16 sixes are 6 6 are 36, 3 carry over, 6 ones are 6 plus 3 9 means 16 sixes are 96. Okay, then 16 sevens are 7 6 are 42, 2 here, 4 carry over, 7 ones are 7 plus 4 11 means 16 sevens are 112. Okay, 16 eights are 8 6 are 48, 8 here, 4 carry over, 8 ones are 8 plus 4 12 means 16 eights are 128. Then 16 nines are 9 6 are 54, 4 here, 5 carry over, then 9 ones are 9 plus 5 14. Okay, so 16 nines are 144 and 16 tens are, you know the table of 10, 10 6 are 60, 6 carry over, 10 ones are 10 plus 6 16. Okay, so 16 tens are 160. Like this आप कौन से भी बड़े टेबल बना सकते हैं. ओके, लाइक if you want to make a 23's table, then 23 ones are 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, means 23 ones are 23. If 23 twos are, you have to multiply by with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, means 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46. Okay bachcho, like this you can make the tables of big number. Okay children, means you have to know the table of 1 to 10. अगर आपको 1 to 10 तक नंबर टेबल लर्न है, देन यू कैन मेक बिग टेबल्स ऑफ अनदर नंबर. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी द मल्टीप्लिकेशन grid. Okay, multiplication using grids. See here, now we will see multiplication using grids. Example, 29 multiplied by 8. We know that 29 means 20 plus 9. Okay, so we have to write here 20 and here 9, and we have to multiply by 8. So 8 will come here. Okay children, now here we have to multiply 20 by 8. Okay, look here, 8 zeros are 0 and 8 twos are 16, means 8 20s are 160, and you know 8 9s are 72. Okay children, so 8 20s are 160, 8 9s are 72, and then these numbers we have to do add 160 plus 72. Look here, do in rough page this addition. Okay, 1's place 0 plus 2 2, 6 plus 7 7, 8 9 10 11 12 13, so 3 here, 1 carry over, and 100 plus 1 plus 1 2, so 160 plus 72 is equal to 232. Okay, means 29 multiplied by 8 is equal to 232. Okay, here exercise 3.3 example, sorry, question 2 example C. Okay, 31 multiplied by 14. Okay, here we know that 31 is equal to 30 plus 1, and 14 is equal to 10 plus 4. Okay, so step 1, we have to write here 30 and here 1. Okay, and here down 10 plus 4, means here 10 and here 4. Okay children, now we have to do multiplication. Here 10 multiplied by 30, 10 zeros are 0 and 10 3s are 30, means 10 multiplied by 30 is equal to 300, then 10 1s are 10. Okay, this is multiplied by 10 with 30 and 1 number. Now with 4 multiplied by 30, 4 zeros are 0 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, and then 4 1s are 4. Okay children, means here 31 multiplied by 14 is equal to 300 plus 10 plus 120 plus 4. Okay, look here, in rough work 300 plus 10 plus 120 plus 4. Okay, write these numbers in proper column. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. and this addition, ones place 4, tens place 1 plus 2 3, and 100 plus 3 plus 1 4. Okay, means 300 plus 10 plus 120 plus 4 is equal to 434. So write here 434 means 31 multiplied by 14 is equal to 434. Okay children. Now see here question 2 example I. 312 multiplied by 21. Okay, we know that 312 is equal to 300 plus 12 and 21 is equal to 20 plus 1. So write here these numbers, 312 here and 20 and 1 here. Now multiplication with 20 here. Okay, 20, 300 multiplied by 20 like this, 300 multiplied by 20, 1 2 3 0 here, and then 2 3s are 6, means 300 multiplied by 20 is equal to 6000. Okay children, and 20 multiplied by 12, 20 multiplied by 12, you can do this, 12 multiply by 20, this 0 here, and then 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, or like this, 0 here, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, means 12 multiplied by 20 is equal to 240. Okay, now with 1, 300 multiplied by 1 is equal to 300 and 1 multiplied by 12 is equal to 12. Okay, now 312 multiplied by 21 is equal to 6000 plus 240 plus 300 plus 12. Okay, and this roughly we have to do 6000, 240, 300 and 12. Okay, ones place 2, tens place 4 ones, 4 plus 1 5, 100 place 2 plus 3 5, and 1000 place 6. So 6000 plus 240 plus 300 plus 12 is equal to 6552. Okay children, so 312 multiplied by 21 is equal to 6552. In this way you have to do multiply using grids. Okay children, I hope now you have understood multiplication using grids. Okay children, now you have to complete exercise 3.3 question 2 in the notebook. Okay, multiplying using grids. Thank you.